All right. Well, you had a call a few minutes ago from George about certain VA benefits. I myself am also a combat veteran, 2 tours in Iraq. And it's a similar experience when you come home from a deployment. You go to what they call the MOB station or mobilization station, and you go through all these briefings and classes about, okay, you're going home and you're going to reunite with your family, so on and so forth. It almost did feel like a sales pitch. I think they were borderline, if not over the border, on, hey, if you say you got these symptoms, we can get you all this extra money for disability, so on and so forth. But I was highly skeptical because about the same time we got home from Iraq, which 2011, I think it was either the NDAA of 11 or 12 authorized the basically unlimited detention of service members, if they were found to be a potential threat either to themselves or their community or their family because of mental instability. And in fact, there was a case, I can't remember.
That's some scary stuff. Hang on, Jeremy.
Somewhere.
If you want to tell us more, you can do that here in hour number 3. More on the way. Free Talk Live.
Free Talk Live, 7 nights a week from 7 to 10 Eastern, live on the Liberty Radio Network at LRN.FM.